How long do I have to wait? The nga go re tiwatang ina. Do I have to wait? Tiwatang go re. Chazang how long na katsu go re tiwatang ina. How long do I have to wait? La re. And then nga chuzo katsu go re tiwatang go. You have to wait for 20 minutes. Na kerang kama nishu go re la re. How long did he play yesterday? Yesterday, how long did he play yesterday? Ano? Um, 그래서 콩 같이 링로 쯤어져와래 티와단결에. He played for 4 hours. ano? 콩 주저시 제송 레요래. 아니 내가 4등 4 디도도 4는 링로도 4 디라는 시 네 인지 그저세상가 this yoga layer and this ringo layer. Shazang he played for 4 hours. For 4 hours. He played for 4 hours. How long do you study in a day? Uh, How long do you study in a day? Ana kerang nima chikla kajuz lopjong cheya tiwadangya. How long do you study in a day? I study 2 hours in a day. Ana nga nima chikla chuzungis lopjong cheya. How many students are there in class? Uh, Tiwadi lopta zinda la zinda nang la lopta katsuyore tiwa tangyo. How many students are there in class? There are 20 students. Lopta nishu yore lengya. How many books did you buy? How many books did you buy? Kerang tep katsu nyoimba tiwa tangyo. I bought 3 books. Nga tepsum yui. How many days are there in January? Shinda tangbu nangla nima khatsuyore tiwa tangyore. The January the yeshadang tis mandoy tangbu Jan lore Jan. Andela you kerangdo you Jan you. Andela eri landire dela weri lanajire. Inji keshadang ngichalade. January. Nicha dire ne this lela yore January. January. How many days are there in January? Andela, there are 31 days in January. Lana, Chinda tangbe nangla nima sujisaji gyore. How many brothers do you have? Lana, kerangla bun katsu yue tiwa tangyore. I have 3 brothers. Lana pepun sum yue. How many times do you go to Nepal? Tiwadi kerang peyula tama katsu joyo tiwada gyure. Tsar katsu joyin tiwada gyure. I went to Nepal 3 times. Nga kesa peyula tama sum jotsai tsar sum joyin. How much money did you spend? Kerang ngul katsu 너든 땅이 pesha katsu joso tiwada gyure. I spent 500 rupees lana nga rupee ngapkya pejudangi nge gor ngapkya dosong tangi rupee ngapkya tang dosong tangi. How much does it cost lana? Dela ringong katsu chikire shiwatangi gong katsu re shiwatangi. It costs 200 rupees. Dela ringong gor nigya chikire. Rupee ngigya re. Rupee ngigya re layer. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? 계란기 커피 낭라 제마카라 같이 고유me tiwa algiore. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? 2 spoons would be enough. 인지 이게 세상 word라 나 쌈로 가지 word라 이래. Um, I would I would do this lana samlo tangni ga chei gi chei toidu do chei ine samlo re jazang mi tiwa kare chamakar khatsul go ya tiwa tangna samlo tangni nga ngi go yu ki re do la imara jazang dela 2 spoons is enough lana this yaga yore kare 토망이 토망이 uh, yeah, tumangi digire layer. 2 spoons would be enough lana. Tumangi digi kire do. This inji kirsilang this this takda laure. 2 spoons is enough. 2 spoons will be enough. 2 spoons is enough. Lana dire. Would be lana samlo kaji. This uh, inji yakudo tsi mare samlo da wala dena. Digire di this len tiwa tangna len di taka gyawara this ingire daw laumara so 2 spoons is enough lana yagoyor. How much traffic was there on the way to work? Lega dose lamdu lango tsanga shitsam dumkam. lega lega doe lamka la tsanga khatsu tsanga shiudu doe tsanga khandis doe tiwa tangi. Um, how much traffic was there on the way to work? Traffic lana tsanga di motaga sanga langhor gi tsanga was there on the way to work. On the way to work lana legay lamkala. There was so much traffic lana lamkala tsanga 화장 개천보도 tsanga shiudu like. How much time do you need? Kirang la